Convert VHS tapes to DVD. As VHS have already become obsolete and DVD are currently the popular way to store movies and videos, you may want to convert any VHS tapes you have left into a DVD disc. With the right equipment, you can do the conversions yourself with a few easy steps. Here are the steps to converting VHS tapes to DVD. Things you'll need: DVD blank discs, VHS to DVD converter. Assemble all the VHS tapes you have left. Look at your attic and hiding places and look for your graduation videos, favorite movies, and other videos. You may want to buy your favorite movies in DVD format already instead of converting it from VHS, as the quality will be much more superior. However, if the movie is not yet available in DVD, take the time to convert it. Allot an entire day for conversion if your VHS collection is sizable. Insert the VHS with a corresponding blank DVD in the converter. Connect an audio/video cable from the converter to the special video capture card in your desktop computer. Convert your VHS to MPEG format. You will need a computer application for this, several of which are available for free online. Unless you are knowledgeable with optimizing the video and audio quality, leave the default settings in place. You can also use the application to edit and sharpen the video quality coming from the VHS. Make sure your computer has at least 500 GB of storage capacity so that it can store a large amount of videos without needing to erase them to accommodate new recordings. Burn the digital file into the blank DVD. You can adjust the quality of the file so that the contents of one video will fit into the 4 GB capacity of one DVD. Label the DVD with a marker and store it in a protective jacket or DVD album. Dispose of the unwanted VHS tapes. Consider converting your old Video 8 tapes to DVD. These Video 8 tapes are used in camcorders before the advent of flash drives. Simply connect an audio/video cable from your camcorder to your desktop, then transfer the contents of the Video 8 inserted in your camcorder to your desktop. Consider hiring a professional video converter. If you don't have the equipment or the time, a professional will do all the work for you for a fee. A professional may also be able to recover or restore videos from tapes that are worn out over time using their higher quality equipment. Beware of sharing sensitive videos, however, as the technicians will not hesitate to copy your videos for their not-so-private use. Take note, however, that DVD is giving way to hard drive storage, now that technology has become more reliable and less expensive by this time. You may want to stay out of DVDs altogether and store your videos directly to external drives, or you may wind up a few years from now converting your DVD collection to a new format. Anyway,